Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack Rar or zip files on your VIVO V23. So in order to do that, first thing we'll need to locate the Rar or zip file that we have, and mine is located in DCIM and camera. Now in order to unpack it, we'll need to press on it, and in this case I need to enter the password. If you want, you can show or hide the password right here. Press OK after you typed in your password, and you'll be able to see the files. Now in order to unpack them, first you'll need to select the files that you want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything, simply press on this arrow pointing up. Now select Browse, and you'll be able to pick where to extract the files. I will do it in Movies. Press OK to save that, and here change these 3 settings. Ask before override, override without prompt, or skip existing files. So I'm just gonna keep skip existing files, and you can also enable to keep broken files or do not extract paths. After setting everything right here, we can press OK in order to unpack the files. Now let's go to the Movies, and we can see all 3 files right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.